Hi everybody, I'm Ebony. This is Ebony's Creativity. Thank you so much for joining me here on the channel. Now, as I've been kind of scrolling through my videos that I've been making, I noticed that I don't always have a segment in each video where I'm kind of talking to you guys. Sometimes I'm just trying to get through my DIY project. Sometimes I'm really dirty, messy, outside looking a mess, spray painting, or whatever I'm doing. So I wanted to make this video, which is going to be the get to know me tag, so that you guys will kind of have a chance to get to know me a little bit better, find out a little bit of information about me, and kind of know the girl, get to know the girl behind the DIY projects and the other things that you see here. So I have here some questions that I've compiled from other people's get to know me tags. Each person seemed to have kind of different questions, so I just compiled the top few from that were the most common on other people's, and that's the ones I'm going to go with. So I have my list here. If you see me looking down, that's what I'm looking at. All right, first question is my name, which is Ebony. That's a given because of my channel name. I was born in Memphis, Tennessee. My favorite colors to wear is black, and cobalt blue, and my other favorite color is hot pink. My job, I am an accountant for the local government, so that is what I do for work. Any pets? I have only had one pet in my life, and that was in my childhood. It was a chow mixed with something else. I can't even remember, but it was a beautiful, fluffy dog named Bear. I know that one day it was there, and we were loving on Bear. The next day, Bear tore up everything in the garage, and there was no more Bear. I don't know what happened to Bear. Mama, what happened to Bear? We came home and Bear was gone. All the damage that he caused in the garage was still there, but I never knew what happened to Bear. I don't know if she took it to the SPCA. I don't know if she opened up the garage and let Bear run out. I don't know what happened to Bear. If you know what happened to Bear, leave me a comment. Ma, where's Bear? What happened to the dog, Ma? As far as getting any new pets, I don't think that will happen. I have really bad allergies. My last couple of videos, you can tell I've been sick. I'm getting over it now, but my allergies are terrible. I'm allergic to cats. I can do some dogs depending on if they're long-haired, short-haired, and how much dander that comes with them. But the way my allergies are set up is not even worth taking the chance. I can do without the dog. I'll pet your dog and keep pushing. Do I have any children? No. No children, and I am single. Last time I cried. The past year and a half has been a complete shit show, and I have cried more times in the last year and a half than I have in my whole life. I'm not a big crier. I'm a Scorpio. We're hard. We don't cry. We let it be what it is. But the last year and a half has not been cute in any way. I will be making a video about that in hopes of being an encouragement for somebody else. But life can really get to you sometimes. And the last year and a half of my life has not been cute by any means. But we're still blessed, right? So we just keep on pushing. The first thing I notice about people is their teeth. Sometimes I'm just like, girl, a little brush, a little floss, and you got it. Like, sir, get out my face because it's not looking too good. So yeah, that is the first thing I notice about people is their teeth. Which is ironic because I'm not even a dentist. My sister is the dentist in the family, so I don't know why, but I always look at people's teeth. My first best friend, I never really have been personally with a lot of friends. I've been more of the quality over quantity type of person. I did have the same best friend from about high school until about 2 years ago, and that friendship no longer exists. Maybe we'll do a video about that too. It depends on if I think I can appropriately express myself. It's gonna take some time. God's still working on me, but that story is quite interesting. I do think you will find it interesting. Maybe I'll figure out a way to tell you that story, if it's something that you want to see. Do I have siblings? Yes, I have an older sibling. Like I said, she's 2 years older, and she's a dentist. Then I have twin brother and sister who are 12 years younger, and they are currently in college. My favorite smells. I love anything that smells like men's cologne. So I love at Bath and Body Works, I love mahogany teakwood. I love black tie. I love peppered suede. Anything along that line, I love. Also the fresh scent. So like anything Tahiti breeze, Hawaiian breeze, anything fresh cotton, anything along that line, any fresh beachy white beach sands, anything named along those lines, I love it. So those are my favorite smells. My favorite drink, non-alcoholic, is Pepsi. Alcoholic is vodka. And countries that I have been to. I have been to a lot of the Caribbean countries, Bahamas, Jamaica, that kind of thing. I've been to Mexico. And the furthest away that I have been is to Tokyo. So, yeah. What's the next one? My favorite YouTubers. The YouTubers that I love watching are Sharon. She's so fabulous. I love her design aesthetic, and she's just crazy. I love her. She's a good time. Bondi Blue, because she likes all the ratchet reality shows that I like, and I don't really know anybody else that watches the shows that I watch, so watching her is like watching a friend talk and, you know, having a different perspective about the same thing that you've just seen. So I like Bondi Blue, and I love her accent. I love a New Orleans accent. That is my favorite accent. I love Batty Twins. There's a lady named Liz Fenwick DIY. I love her channel. She is very creative and she has a whole bunch of DIYs. I don't even know how she comes up with all these DIYs, but she has different DIYs like 2 to 3 times a week. I'm trying to be like her when I grow up. I love Missy Lynn. Missy Lynn is the bomb. Like, I love the way that she is so independent. She lives her life the same, whether she's in a relationship or not. She'll pick up and go. She'll get her girls. She'll go on a trip. You know, I love watching her. I feel like that's the kind of friend that I would like. Right now, I don't have any friends. All my friends are canceled. But I do love to watch her and her friend group. And when they fall out, when they get back together, I just love watching Missy Lynn. I think she is the bomb. Who else? Sorry Girls, Mr. Kate. I love to watch their DIYs. Raven Elise. I like her voice. I don't know what it is, but she's like a alto-ish voice. I don't know, but I really love her voice and I love her design aesthetic. And she does a lot of mom stuff, and I'm not a mom, so I really don't relate to those videos, but I do love her hauls and when she's designing her house and when she's doing DIYs. I do love those kind of videos from her, and I just like to hear her talk. I find her voice really relaxing. I don't know why. Call me crazy. Last question. Why did I start doing YouTube? I started doing YouTube because, like I said, I've been having a year from hell, and I went to a therapist, and my therapist told me to do things that make me happy. So right now, this channel is a representation of that, of me doing things that makes me happy, of me doing DIYs, of me doing something to keep my hands busy and my mind occupied, something that's not self-destructive, something that I can hopefully make money off of, you know, if this channel grows big enough, something that I do just to clear my mind. I love to shop, so why not do hauls? I love doing DIY projects. There are several throughout my home, which you can see in my DIY tours part 1 and 2. I love doing this stuff. This is what makes me happy. So I'm just following the advice of my therapist. This is something that I've been interested in doing for a long time, but never really had the nerve or the time to do. So I just made it my business to do this. And I'm trying to get you guys 2 videos a week. I said I was going to be on on Wednesdays and Saturdays, but work with me because a sister is working tired and I'm trying to get these videos to you, but filming, editing, finding the stuff, thinking up ideas. It is hard. Don't think that YouTube is just so easy. It looks easy, but it takes a lot of prep work and a lot of time. And when you're working full time and you crunching numbers all day and your brain is in a jumble and you're tired, sometimes you just can't make those. You can't make those Wednesday and Sunday uploads, or Saturday uploads. So I'm trying to get on a consistent schedule. Work with me. I'm trying to get you 2 videos a week. Yeah, so that was my last question. If there's anything else that you would like to know, any content that you would like to see, please leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much to Donna, because you always comment and you always engage with me. Everybody else, follow suit. Be like Donna. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see, what you think about this video and my others. Watch my videos, engage with me, subscribe, like, whatever you can do to support my channel. I greatly appreciate it. So I'm going to go because I am out of questions. I hope I didn't skip any. If I did, just leave your questions down below and I will get to them. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment. Thank you, Donna. You my girl. I don't know you, but you my girl. So, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and go. Thank you so much for watching. And please watch some more videos since you're here. Thank you. Bye.